Hi everyone, here we've got ALCATEL U5 HD and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So firstly, let's enter the camera app obviously. And as you can see, let's take a look at this option bar, and right in the middle we've got the timer icon, which right now is crossed out, so it means that it is turned off. In order to turn it on, just tap on it, and as you can see, it immediately automatically changes into the 2 seconds delay. After tapping on it again, we can set 8 seconds delay, and after tapping again we can turn off the timer. So let me pick, for example, 8 seconds delay, and let's check. Let's tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 8, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, the screen, actually the camera flashed, so it means that it has taken a photo. So let me check another option. Let's check the 2 seconds delay, and the same situation, but now it is counting down from 2. So after turning off the talkback, the timer, we can check that from now on this device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your ALCATEL U5 HD. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.